Welcome everyone. This is CEO Trades where money works for you. Today's June 9th, Wednesday. It's 3:28 p.m., a little before the close of the stock market, but we have a 24-hour market that's going on, and that's coins, cryptocurrency. So that's what we're looking at today. Up on my um, chart here right now is Ethereum. Ethereum has had pretty much an uptrend all day. Just want to take a look at that chart. Let me just make sure. The ninth, right about here, pretty much from here. Yep. So it's had an uptrend pretty much all day. It almost dropped here a bit. It dropped more here because there was some news that was released. And China is looking to close on some of the people who are investing or Bitcoin miners and so on. So that can be negative news. Although China's done it for many years, they've been attracting attention, but they're most probably going to come out with their own coins as well. You better believe it. That's right. Ethereum, I'm invested for the long term. I have actually a buy limit order right now at 2,300. If it drops down a bit, I purchased somewhere, I believe it was here and here, and I'm hoping that it comes down a bit again so I can purchase some more. And right now it's at 25.67. It was at 26.08. Is this normal? Yes, the news is going to move your currencies, your stocks. It's going to move it, and that's why we're looking at a couple of other coins here. XLM is at 35 cents a share, 35 cents a coin. Sorry, not share. There's no shares here. And XLM is on a similar path. You can see very similar path. That's most of the coins are in that path. Now, KCS, I don't think it's on the same path because it's a KuCoin. Uh, KuCoin from this software that I'm utilizing right now. Well, it's very similar path, not exactly the same. You can see it's consolidating in this area right here. It hasn't made a drop below 8. If it makes a drop below 8, then it's a very similar path. EOS, it was at 498, I believe, this morning, and now it's up at 521. It's made about a 7% gain or so. Not bad, and it's also had a bit of an uptrend, and as well as it's sold off a little bit. People will get scared when they see negative news. What do you gain from getting scared? Well, not much. Being safe with your money, not losing, taking gains and cutting losses is very important. Taking gains and cutting losses. That's right. This is Bitcoin. You can see Bitcoin also had its high so far of 37,000 or so, and now it's up to 36,000, so 1,000 lower. Will it go down anymore? I'm hoping it goes down more because I have a buy limit as well on that one. ADA Cardano, which is one of my favorites for long term. I believe that this is a good buy for the long term. For those of you who like it, I have a buy limit on this. It's not a lot, but it's something that to keep me invested. Uh, Tron Tron case. I do not have any investment in this one yet. There has been a lot of hype. It's doing similar moves as the other ones are, so I expect this to go up as the other ones will go up. This is a good investment for the long term. TRX Tron case. Doge, I did my limit order buy limit at 31 and I got in 31, and I'm looking for another buy limit at the same amount, 31. Will it hit? Will it not? We'll see what happens if we get filled or not. This is CEO Trades. The intelligent Bitcoin investor, what does he do? Number one, he has his entry and his exit points. For example, if you're entering at 31, like I did on Dogecoin, 31, right? Down somewhere around here. Where should I sell? There is no perfect time to sell. However, if it reaches 40 cents, I'll make 30%. If it reaches 60 cents, I'll make almost 90%. If it goes above that, geez, it's great. You're not going to become rich on one coin, on one stock, unless you have lots and lots of money, unless you get really lucky. And the only way that that can happen is if you take the time out to research, to follow the trends, to see where the most volume is being invested on which coin. That's how you compose the intelligent Bitcoin investor. Those simple steps. They sound very simple, but most people neglect to do them. Most people will jump in here and jump out here. Then they'll come in here and then they'll have to hold out when it goes down and up and down and up and down. And then now up here, maybe they'll jump out. If not, they'll still keep riding it and still in here at the same level they started off. So what does this tell you? It makes sense to just to hold for the long term. I mean, you could have, once it made this drop, you could have jumped in here and then ride it up to here, and then you'd make some money. There is no perfect entry point. It depends on your expertise on entry and exit points. Remember, if you're looking to make money, why don't you invest in your knowledge account? Because you invest in your knowledge account, your money account will grow multiplied. This is CEO Trades giving you a little bit about the intelligent Bitcoin investor. Stay tuned for more tomorrow as we go live on Ethereum and Bitcoin.